Sorry, that was a bit of an abrupt ending. My stupid tablet ran out of space. So hopefully I'll be able to edit this together, as it'll be part 2 and 2A. Sorry. Like I say, I'm a trumpet player, not a YouTuber. So I tidied it up a bit. So do you see? It's getting that ridging effect. And then when the glue... Oh yeah, that one broke, but I'm running out of wire. So it gets that ridging effect. The reason why I don't just put the cloth on top and do the wire, and I keep the wire underneath on the foam like last one, is basically that I'm not sure if it will keep its shape. If I know I've got brass wire holding the shape on this foam, I know it's always going to have that shape, and over time it won't change. And basically all this wire is doing is just holding the cloth while the PVA dries, so it keeps this shape. And that's it basically for this. And then the next bit will be the clamps, and I'll show you how to do those and what this looks like when this is off. Look, thanks fellas, and I hope this is useful to you all. Yeah, thanks, bye.